Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla with another review. Back to back reviews. I love reviews, they're so much fun. So today's video is all about Dominique Cosmetics, berries and cream. I want to sing like peaches and cream, except put berries and cream. You know what I'm saying? It just has that type of ring to it. But Christen Dominique, she's a huge YouTuber. I'm sure most of you guys know her. Started Dominique Cosmetics. This is her third palette, and the first two were really nice, honestly. I'm kind of bummed I never did a review on them. I used them in videos, but I never did a review. So I really wanted to review this palette because, well, the palette and the lips, because when I first saw the palette, I was like, oh, that's a little different. That's cute. That's refreshing. So let me show you guys. She is launching Berries and Cream palette. And this is like a laminate palette. It feels, I don't want to say heavy, but it feels expensive. It doesn't feel cheap. And y'all know what I'm talking about when some of these palettes feeling kind of cheap. It doesn't feel cheap. So with all of her palettes, they are a little bit bigger and they come with a mirror with the eyeshadows, and the eyeshadows, this is generous, okay? It's a large amount, okay? And all of the color names are at the bottom, which you guys know I love that. I think this just looks really pretty and professional. I'm here for it, okay? So in the eyeshadow palette, we have 12 eyeshadows, and you can see there's definitely a berry theme, but when you look at the colors, you can also see that there's a blue in there, there's a bronze, there's a brown. So it's kind of like, okay, yeah, it's a pink purple palette, but then there's also blacks and there's also everyday colors. So I really like that this has a little bit of everything, you know, so you could travel with just this palette and be straight. You know what I'm saying? It's cute. My first impression is this blue kind of, I don't want to say it doesn't throw everything off because it throws everything in, because you don't see a lot of people doing this, but I like it, you know, because you can add the blue to the brown, the blue to the purple. I'm vibing with this palette, okay? So not only did Christen launch the eyeshadow palette, she's also launching 2 new liquid lipsticks, and I will try both of them on. And okay, so berry, plum, cranberry is like the theme of the fall season. You guys have seen it with KKW, you've seen it with Urban Decay. So at the end of the video, I'll let you know like which one's my favorite, because so many people are like, is it better than Urban Decay? So, and that's how, in my voice, that's how everyone sounds. No, I'm just kidding. But in this video, I will apply the palette, and after I'll let you know if I think it's better or worse than the rest of them. So let's just get started. Berries and cream. I hate it because you know that I'm a fiend. I don't think I showed you guys the PR package. This is it. It's just really simple, which I like because, listen, that recycling bin fills up quick. Okay, so I prep my eyes with concealer, Studio Fix concealer. I kind of use any concealer. I don't think I'm picky when it comes to eyeshadow base. So yeah, concealer. And I think we're going to start with Bittersweet, this purple right here. Bittersweet. You know me, I'm over here looking. I'm like, I do wish that there was like, instead of this gray, that it was like a warm brown, you know, for my crease, but it's okay. It's okay. Lavender. I never do lavender in the crease first. Like I would never do this. So I'm like, let me try something different. Lavender. Ooh, I'm like, what direction are we gonna take this? Okay, so this is, ooh, look at my highlight. This is definitely one of those palettes that goes on better than its swatches. Like I don't like judging palettes by the way that they swatch, because like, I don't think this color really swatched that well, but look at how pretty it is. Yeah, we like that. I'm switching to a smaller brush. This is the Smith 230, and we're gonna apply Cherry Juice, which is like this deeper plum in the outside of the crease. Yeah, we sure are. Berries and cream. Don't you guys miss that music, like R&B groups and all that? I don't know what's going on nowadays with music. I'm over here like we get it, like everyone, okay, Cardi made a song about drip. Now every single song is drip, 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 drip. You know what I'm saying? I'm just over it. I'm like, can Beyonce release another album already or something? I'm gonna need Beyonce to drop that heat, go on tour again, Jay-Z even. Maybe they could do another joint album, I don't know. Ooh, Oh, this is really buildable. Okay, I don't know if you guys are noticing, but I'm bringing the shadow up a little bit higher in my crease right here, which I do sometimes when I want it to be a little bit more on the dramatic side. Like, look how pretty that is. Wow. Cherry juice. So smooth. I feel like I have to say something right now, okay? Because I keep wanting to say Christen, but it's Dominique Cosmetics. I've liked all of it, and I feel like her palettes are always the most like underrated, you know? Like, I feel like this is super underrated, and you don't hear like a lot of people talking about it. Like, yeah, people are talking about it, but I feel like it's underrated, okay? All right, back to the beat. So I'm just really taking my time blending this out because this color is buildable and you don't need to use a lot. Like, look at that. I think I'm just having fun with this right now. Like, I'm really enjoying putting this on. I don't know, because it's purple, maybe. Oh, look at that. Look how cute that is. Yes, what we gonna do? What we gonna do? What we gonna do? Okay, we're gonna do cranberry because I know that's what you guys want to see. Should we do sugar cookie? Oh, should we do a little black? All right, next I'm gonna use my flat brush and apply cranberry all over the lid. Ooh, a little bit of fallout. Ooh, look at that. There it is. So there's like a tiny bit of kickback on the pan, so just barely apply it. You don't need to use a lot. The consistency of these shadows is definitely like a lot softer, and I wouldn't say creamy, just like soft, I guess. I'm gonna leave the outside here just like that because I'm gonna put black. Yeah, we're gonna try the black. All right, I'm gonna apply a little bit of sugar cookie on the inside here. Just a little bit. Ooh, pigment. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that. I'm telling you, like this one, remember the swatches? It wasn't like, it was good, but it wasn't great. Like, it's going on so much more vibrant than the swatches. That's crazy. Can't always depend on them swatches. Ooh, that's cute. Yes, 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 yes. So I'm gonna put a little bit of blackberry. It's called blackberry, but it's like, it's black, okay? Just a tiny bit. And we're gonna put this in the crease. I'm pressing it on just to eliminate any kind of fallout. I did my foundation first, obviously. So I'm really gonna take my time with this black because I don't want it to get like all over my face and mess up my highlight. Like, we do not want that to happen. Look at how nicely that's blending. Look at that. Okay, Christen Dominique. With black eyeshadow, just like don't be aggressive with it at first. Work it slow. That way you can kind of control exactly where it's going. Oh, you know what? This cranberry color is a little bit more on like the pink side. Like, it's brighter than a typical cranberry. Gotta look in the monitor and the mirror. Shoot. All right, I'm gonna line my waterline with the Il Makiage long wearing. I think it's just their black eyeliner. I actually just got this, so I was like, let me try it. I always line the waterline and under the lash line. The struggle not to make a face is real. Oh, she looking snatched. That might be keto. All right, I'm gonna align with the Il Makiage liquid eyeliner. I don't know why I'm doing this. Gotta switch it up sometimes. I'm like a cream liner kind of girl, but this is actually pretty easy. Ooh, it's a nice thin line. Oh, actually, I'm not mad at this liner, okay? Okay, so using my angled brush, I'm gonna just press blackberry over my eyeliner. Because it's black, I don't wanna smudge it and it just freaking goes everywhere. So we're just gonna press it in first. Ooh, smoky. All right, now I'm gonna grab my little pencil brush and I think I'm gonna smudge. I'm gonna dip in cherry juice and then I'm gonna smudge under my lash line. Mascara time. This is like a hot pink kinda. All right, this is Maybelline Snapscara. And don't worry, we're definitely doing lashes. Look at how bottom lashes just make the biggest difference for me. Look at that versus this. Boom. And that's like not even a lot of mascara. Let me add more. Let me show you. Hold up. Let me show y'all. Hold up. Okay? Like, look at season 10, season 5. I was actually just watching The Housewives before I started filming. And it's like, why can't I just watch it over and over again? The same episodes over and over. Like, Orange County's on, Atlanta's on. All right, I'm gonna finish off the eye look with Lily NYC lash. Kind of like more of a dramatic lash, and I've worn them before. couple times. Let me get my glue. I feel like sometimes when people do their makeup, they get so caught up in doing their makeup exactly how they see it on Instagram. And it's like, you don't have to have a cut crease every time. Like, it's cute, but it's like, who has time, you know? It's like, that's like special occasion. I don't know. I kind of like this look where it's like more blended. Like, you can see each color, but it's blended. Okay, but I'll do a cut crease every once in a while. But I also like this kind of look. Oh my gosh, I forgot to set my makeup. I always like to set my makeup, my foundation, everything before I put mascara on because the mascara can run sometimes. So I'm just gonna cover my eyes real quick. Wow, this is really pretty. Dry. Look at it, you can use the palette to fan your face dry. Okay, but really, like, look at that. Look at how pretty that is. I love this pink. This is season 10. Okay, this is like an effortless season 10. Like, you know, like, All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of plum blush on from Bobbi Brown. Okay, this honey drip highlighter from Artist Couture is so pretty. Ooh. All right, let's just jump right into the lipstick. So I'm gonna apply both lips. Why was I like, my tongue was getting a little twisted there. So we're gonna start with Plumberry, the darker shade. And I'm gonna use Ellery's lip pencil from ColourPop. Okay, thin material, feels super like thin and lightweight. So reminds me a little bit of the Melt Cosmetics liquid lips from yesterday's video. So this is cute. It's a little bit more sheer than what I'm used to. I like my liquid lips to have like a little more pigment, but the color is really pretty. All right, I'm gonna line my lips with Spice Girl from Huda Beauty, and we're gonna apply the lighter shade. You can see I filled in my lips just a little bit because this color is like a nude for me. All right, creamy pink. Let's see what you're working with. Let's see what you got. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, this is reminding me of my MAC days. You guys know I love a good pink, okay? Like, I don't care how bright it is, how Pepto-Bismol-y it is. Oh, this is actually really nice. At first I was like, it's a little bright, you know, but blotted. Ooh, look at how nice that is. The key is, you guys, and I see so many people like mess up on this sometimes with lighter colors, they'll completely like drown their lips in liquid lipstick. It's like, nah, put it on the bottom, blot, blot, blot until it blends. Like, look how nice that is. Ooh, I like you. I like you. Yeah, I definitely like this one better. For sure. All right, I'm gonna take my hair out of this little mess here and I will be right back. Okay, just right off the gate, this is so much better than the Urban Decay Cherry Berry palette. I like it a lot better. I know everyone's gonna ask, and I like it so much better. My eyes look really pretty. I like how bright this pink is. I love the pigment. And I really love how there's a black, let me show you, in the palette. Like, everyone needs black, especially if you want to do a dramatic eye, and I feel like so many palettes are missing like just a really good black eyeshadow. I think it scares people, and it shouldn't. It's like, if I want the drama, I need some black, okay? It's just really pretty. I just think this is a well put together palette. I love the pop of blue. I just like how there's a variety of everything. I think Kristen's palette, her brand is really underrated, to be honest with you. Like, this is really cute. Okay, and you guys know if I didn't think it was cute, I'd be like, oh, it's okay. Like the Urban Decay, I was like, it's okay. Like, you know, so yeah, I'm loving it. Let's see, the lip colors are nice. The Plumberry. I like my liquid lipsticks to be more pigmented, so I probably won't wear this again. But this one, what is this? Creamy pink. We like her. Okay, she's giving me season 10 realness. She is giving me all types of vibes. She is giving me won't come off on my wine glass, which I like. So I am all the way here for this collection, Miss Underrated. That's what I'm gonna call her. Congratulations, Kristen, on another beautiful palette. I hope people go out and get it and support you because it is, I mean, it's a season 10 beat down, honey, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys have an amazing holiday tomorrow. I hope you guys eat a lot of food, hopefully keto food. That's what I'm gonna do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment below, let me know the next tutorial. You guys literally let me know what you want me to film. I'm gonna film it. And last but not least, strut and slay.